Back in action, we're back in the action, boys. I want to start off by saying, if you guys want to smash the like button on this video and leave lots of comments down below, that'd be sick. Gets the video more views, we get a little bit more money. As I just got word from my network that we are in fact blacklisted on YouTube for another 3 months for drinking lean on video, allegedly. Also, we do have to film in the car again. I have to apologize, but my roommate's upstairs where I usually film, and her religious self is convinced that I have the devil inside of me. All I have to say back to that is if the devil is in fact a retard, then yes, that is probably the case. Anyway, getting into the video today, boys, I'm actually really stoked for this because you guys have been asking for this for a long time, or at least for like 2 weeks now. You guys probably know that Harrison Neville made a video quite similar to this not too long ago. It blew up. Good for you, big guy. And you guys asked me to do it. I thought it'd be dope because we usually do mystery unboxings. And then I saw Blake Linder made a video the next day doing the exact same thing. So I quickly tried to return my purchase and I couldn't because it was already in the mail. Just kidding, buddy. I love you. Anyway, today we have one of these only sneaker Hypebeast mystery boxes from eBay. Sick. Now, I think Harrison Neville paid like $2,500 for his. I wanted to do something a little bit different, something a little bit less money, because I ain't rolling in the dough as much as he probably is right now. Actually, before I forget, buddy, your bank account's probably pretty thick right now. I think next time we meet up, I think you should probably be the one paying for the sex. I just think it's only fair. Anyway, so today we got a $1,000 sneaker-only mystery box from eBay. But of course, y'all know the name brand fam's real strong. We're marking the game the greatest of all time. Now, for this mystery unboxing, I was trying to find one a little bit different on eBay because I don't want to get the exact same thing as he might have gotten. So what I found is actually the same similar type of thing where it's only sneakers in this mystery box for $1,000. But the difference with this one is, which I actually think is kind of dope, is they're lightly used sneakers. None of them are brand new, which just means you're probably going to be getting better sneakers for your money because they are used and they're not the retail value. So I thought that'd be dope. It's a little bit more affordable for people that might want to do the same thing. Remind me to put a link down below and I'll do that. However, I'm a little pissed off, bro, because I was expecting maybe like 3 or 4 pairs of sneakers. However, this box is this big and there's definitely only 1 pair in here. So we're rocking with like some like black pirate Yeezys or something like this for $1,000. I don't really know what to expect. But I ain't trying to waste any more of y'all time. Of course y'all know. Oh, I already did that part. Name brand, hell the mother of dick. We're about to open up that package, you poon. Oh shit! I didn't think about that. Oh shit, this is my grandma's. It went right through the box. I can see a hole right through the box. I can feel the shoes right now. Damn it! Anyway, boys, so for $1,000, this is what we got. Oh! 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 Sick! Sick! Okay, so we got a pair of human race sneakers right here, which is a little sketchy because I know a lot go for under $1,000 nowadays. I think the older ones go for a little bit more. Anyway, I'll stop talking. Oh boy, it's like Christmas. I love these mystery unboxings. I feel like Selena Gomez just sat on my face for a second and it's not a dream. You know what I mean? So here's the box. This is the kind of condition it came in, so it's definitely a little bit used. I haven't checked what sneakers there are yet, except I did this. Let's open her up. Oh! Yes! Yes! I've never owned these! Oh my god, actually, you know what? You guys might remember I had a pair of these one time, but they were fake. I got them for an Instagram ad video so long ago. Is this a good deal? I don't know how much these go for now. I'd be surprised if they're going for a lot over $1,000. Shit. Anyway, boys, quick unboxing. I wish it was gonna be more than 1 pair of sneakers. I guess what can you do? It's a mystery box. But as y'all can see, we got the human race shoes right here from Adidas and Pharrell Williams. I bet he's probably banging some hot girls. I don't really know too much about him, but I don't know. He's got a shoe named after him. I don't. My thought process always goes to, I wonder who they bang. I don't know why. Anyway, all right. So let's look at it. They actually look brand new. I don't get it. This whole thing is, they're worn. Okay, yeah, so they are a little bit lightly worn here. We also got a scuff right here. Scuff! But yeah, so they are a little bit used. They got the other one here. Yeah, they're scuffed right here. But honestly, I'm sponsored by Crep Protect and Rejuvenator right now. I don't know if they know that, but I mean, I'm getting free products, so whatever. Don't tell on me, please. So we can clean these pretty quickly. Also, you guys are asking why I'm not at SneakerCon right now. I had some family stuff yesterday, and I wasn't gonna fly in just for 1 day. But I miss seeing y'all. So anyway, you let me know. I'm not gonna try to make this video over 10 minutes because it's just 1 pair of shoes. Another scuff right there. But y'all let me know what you think. If this was a steal for $1,000. Actually, I'm gonna check StockX to see if I did get my money's worth. Okay, yeah, just check StockX. So they're going for like $1,500 new on there right now. So I don't know how much a used pair would be, but honestly, $1,000 for these shoes, I'm not mad at it at all. And honestly, I think I could sell them on eBay for probably like $1,200 if I really wanted to, or I could sell them for a lot more if I just cleaned them up. So I think that's a dope deal with the sneaker mystery box. I don't even think I have to do a legit check on these. these. It seemed like a pretty legit seller, but if you guys want to do your research, definitely go for it. They look real to me. I've had a fake pair in the past, and these do not seem like it at all. Actually, I think I gave those away to one of you. Yeah, I did, actually. Anyway, appreciate y'all for watching. Not wasting any more of y'all time. Was this a win? Was this a W? Was this an L? Or was this a fuck? Appreciate y'all murking it. Blow. Alright, I'm driving home right now. I had a quick thought. I kind of wanted to talk to you guys about yesterday's video. If you guys didn't see it, you probably didn't, because I uploaded it at like 12 a.m. just because it was like a creepier video, so I thought that kind of made sense. This is Chillin' with Name Brand, by the way, if you guys want to watch this. But it said in it that, or the title said, trying to contact my dad through a Ouija board. Now, that's actually what I was trying to do, as I said in the video. I didn't know if I believed Ouija boards. Totally do now. Jesus, scariest night of my life. But I felt like if you are missing a loved one, you know, one passed away, and you have this like maybe option that might work to contact them again, I didn't see the harm in it. A lot of people, which really pissed me off, and I don't take offense to anything, but people were saying I was using my dad's name as clickbait. That just like, it didn't piss me off that y'all were saying that, because you can think whatever you want, but like, I guess it more made me sad. Yeah, I wouldn't say it pissed me off. I think it more made me sad that you guys would think that I would do that, because that's not what I was trying to do at all. I could have said I contacted my dad through it, because I definitely did not contact him. Whatever I contacted was mean and scary. But I said trying to contact my dad, because that's what the actual video was. And I think with my YouTube channel and what I'm doing now, I'm really trying to be more personal. As you guys know, I told you about the break-in. I've been very open with my like addictions in the past and like my mental health and stuff like that. And that's really what I'm trying to mold this channel into, as long as I'm blacklisted, you know what I mean? I'm not getting tons of views except for the people that are notification fam, really. But I'm trying to show that side. I also love spiritual stuff. You know, I love like the alien stuff like that. It's what I'm really into. So I thought that'd be a cool video to do. Some people loved it, and some people took it the wrong way. But yeah, I think the proper word is I'm home now. Now I just showed you guys where I live, if you know there. Anyway, I just wanted to tell you guys that I just like, it's kind of upsetting that like some of you might think that, and I really like want to real talk you right now. That's 100% not what it was. And I really felt sad about that. So, yeah, I don't know what else to say. I just kind of wanted to put that out there in case some of you guys thought that might be the case. 100% not. I hope you guys enjoyed that video. It was a little bit different. The editing, there wasn't really tons in it, because I just wanted you guys to see everything happen, so it didn't look like I was editing stuff. But yeah, that's it. Anyway, little quick Chillin' with Name Brand at the end. Appreciate y'all for watching once again. Mark the game, the greatest of all time. Blow.